Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome in the TEFS trading room. Hi Anne, good morning to you. Yeah, it's a happy sunshine day here as well. And hopefully we will get a nice green day and we are going to smile more and more. Market is up. Very strange to see nowadays, right? A pre-market gap up. Actually, yesterday it was a pre-market gap up as well, but immediately we feel the gap almost like a straight red line. Today, well, let's see what's going to happen. Of course, again, news from the or about the Iranian situation, and according to the news, Trump is ready to end the war even without opening the Strait of Hormuz. Well, let's see if it's going to be a successful mission. So far, no news from the Iranian side at all. So we don't know what's going on behind the scenes, but the market was really happy about this news so far. Hi, hola, ¿qué tal? I just see your name Photodrama, so unfortunately, guys, I don't know why I can't see your name on the YouTube, but nice to see you, guys. Well, crazy market here again. After several big red days, we are starting again in a gap up. Question whether the bulls are going to stay so far. Hi, Sharko. Good morning to you, traders. If the sound is okay, then all right. Please just let me know if I need to adjust the sound. So let's just start the pre-market session. Yesterday we had a nice green day, not a huge green though. I was quite struggling. I could not find a really good shorts when the market just started to feel the gap actually, but I tried my best indeed. And today, especially again, if the market stays on this reversal mode, like gap up and go, then definitely I'm going to watch Meta, Microsoft. So the most uh, um, undervalued. I'm not sure it's undervalued, but you know the stocks which look like oversold a little bit. Hi Tara, nice to see you. I just read your email. I'm going to answer you soon. I'm just asking one of my friend about this course. Okay. But I got your email. I'm more than happy to help, and hopefully we will get a coffee together and you will be here. Okay, guys, now let's see. All right, so SPY, S&P 500, triple Q are up at the moment, but again, who knows what's coming next? You're very welcome. So I'm quite positive on that because the market is trying for the second day to do something at least. Like the bulls are quite desperate here as we see. So the triple Q at the moment, I'm just looking for it. Where do we stand with the triple Q? SPY is up 1.04, triple Q 1% only. Several big red days, as you can see, in a row. 560, I mentioned you, especially on the triple Q, that can be a harder, stronger support. Why? Let's just go back in 2025 August. You see this 558, 560 level, traders. That was like a really impressive support back then. And of course, it's just going to play the role again. So that's why I'm a little bit more optimistic for the bulls today. But as you know, nothing is a done deal yet. The war is not over yet. Trump again wants to end it even without opening the Strait of Hormuz. And we are going to have some FOMC member speakers and even JOLTS job openings and consumer confidence at 10 o'clock, 9:45 Chicago PMI. So a lot is going to happen today, plus the news, as I've told you. So we should be ready for another volatile day here on the US market again. Hi, Mr. Brackage, nice to see you. Good morning to you. Okay, MU is in red, by the way. I was astonished to see that everything is just going up, but MU yesterday, it was a huge move to the downside. I was not expecting that, to tell the truth. And now it's just starting around this 320 area. I don't know, that doesn't look good. And the strongest is Applied Materials, Amazon. Amazon, definitely, I'm going to watch Amazon here, traders, bit extended to the downside. Now it's just gapping up over 205. Reddit is strong as well. Meta, this was one of the trade of yesterday. Now it's starting again to look interesting. AVGO, PLTR, Google, NVDA, very strong. Microsoft, Google, I mean GOOG and GOOGL. mRNA, AMD is up as well. AMD was a big disappointment for me yesterday. Let's see whether yesterday, as you can see, is just touched the 200 EMA. Might today it can just make a nice reversal from that. UPST is up. Microsoft, of course, Microsoft just had another red day yesterday because towards to the end of the day, no good news hit the market. So that's why the lack of the news and the high uncertainty is just caused the whole market dropping again. JP Morgan higher, Hoodie's higher, Tesla, Nike, Roblox, coin, so everything. Bitcoin, though, it's not that strong at all. I was surprised because I thought that by this quite of a nice bullish pressure, we will see Bitcoin a little bit higher, but not so far. It's just in under the 67,000 level. I don't know. Let's see how it's going to continue the day. So let's see what is in the news. Indeed, gold on track for worst months, of course, because looks like that it's just stopped, and now we are going to get some pullback on the XAU USD. So let's just watch it, actually, especially the gold-related stocks as well. Unilever enforces global hiring pause due to significant challenges amid Middle East conflict. That's not the good news because some companies might going to follow this, and that's definitely not good for the labor market if the labor market suffers, or the economy is going to suffer. So hopefully Trump is right, and he can just stop this war soon. Trump lashes out at UK and France, telling allies the USA won't be there to help you anymore. Ouch. So he's threatening again. Stock futures are rising, says Trump, looking to end the Iran war. As I've told you, this is the reason again, as yesterday, but unfortunately, the good news faded. So let's see what's going to happen now. Hi Zuki, nice to see you. ARTL, Marvel and CRW, we thank you very much. Yes, Marvel got some good news. I'm just going to go there soon. Thank you for your candidates. And I do encourage everyone, if you have anything great candidate, stock candidate for today on your watch list, please just let us know in the chat. Thank you very much indeed. McCormick is here, MCK, which was an earning stock, but even buys Unilever's food business in deal that values it nearly at $45 billion. Wow, that's a lot indeed. Marvel, as I mentioned, Yuzuki just called Marvel, and the reason why the stock is popping so much, NVIDIA takes a $2 billion stake, continuing run of similar bets. So seems like Marvel having a bright and nice future so far. NVO news we have as well. So lots of stock specific, not that lot, but some, which definitely going to make our candidates list quite nice. OLC's choppy trading as traders parse Trump comments on Iran war, but actually the oil is still quite high. If I'm just checking actually the crude oil itself, it's $103 at the moment. Silver, gold are jumping too, especially the silver, by the way. All the futures are up. In my opinion, again, a little bit too much. But nowadays, as you could see on the daily chart, I just go back to the triple Q, the whole market is able to move a lot, actually much larger ATR we have nowadays because of this crazy situation than we had before, and that means that it still can move even with 1% gap up. Let's see if it's going to happen at all. What is on the market watch? Indeed, European stock market nicely green. Asia mixed because Nikkei is down, Hang Seng is up. On the DXY index is just around this 100 level. US 10 years treasury is pulling back a little bit, and the crypto, as I mentioned it is just slightly green also. However, sooner into the day it just touched this 68,000 level, but since then it's pulling back. So let's see how it's going to continue here. It's time to get defensive. Says Morgan Stanley strategist, hold more cash and make these moves. That's an interesting opinion, actually. But so far, nothing to do with the market. Indeed, though set for a rise, S&P Nasdaq to gain on report Trump could end the war without reopening the Strait of Hormuz. As I've told you, this is what is definitely pushing up the whole market indeed. Okay, oil news, of course. Let me just check the US. So how does it look like now in the pre-market? US, so nice pullback. Oh my God, look at this daily, guys. That's amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row with gap ups. That's just too much. That's just too much. We need to see some pullback soon, I think. Maybe today, but again, for that, we really need stronger evidence than just Trump just found out that he's going to end the war, because it's still not ended. Okay, what else on the international news? I'm checking, not too much indeed. Beside of the gold, we have some nice movers. This is what I'm going to continue with indeed. Not too many big movers today, but I think it's completely enough to start the day with. First one, it's McCormick, MKC, which, as I've told you, Unilever confirmed it was in talks with the Spices Makeover, a potential transaction to merge Unilever Foods with McCormick. So this is going to mean, I think, for MKC, a drop, because usually the company which is buying another company is going down. But on the daily chart, I think it's very extended. It's just on this $50 level at the moment. I must tell you, this stock is not my ultimate favorite for today. So I'm going to be careful with this stock for today, okay? So indeed, I'm just going to put it to the secondary list. That's it on the MKC. I'm going to watch it, but not my ultimate favorite candidate, at least so far. Okay, let's just go to CRWV. Zuki just mentioned the CRWV here. How does it look like at the moment? Okay, oh, I like what you see here. It's a very nice, after 3 big red days, as you can see in a row, seems like that might is going to make a nice reversal here on this $70 level. I agree with Zuki. I think we can just move it to the second, or to the long list, CRWV. You mentioned Marvel. We did mention Marvel as well, as NVIDIA. It's just taking a stake in the company. And after a big red day, that's a huge comeback on Marvel. Crazy, really crazy on the daily chart. I'm going to give a chance for Marvel to push it to 100 or even higher. But look at that big red yesterday. Now it's a huge green. That's crazy. Very volatile, as the whole market it is. That's not a big surprise. Okay, Nike is here as well. Nike, though, it's going to release earnings after the market close. But so far it's higher, and Nike, it's very extended to the downside. I'm going to call it just to the secondary list, because there's earning stocks can be quite crazy indeed. The day before the earnings looks like very extended, depends on the numbers, how it's going to continue, but now it's a little bit slightly up indeed. Novo Nordisk slipped 0.3, announced a multi-month subscription, or what? Yes, plan for its obesity drug, Wegovy products. All right, I don't know whether it's going to move this stock too much, but let's just see NVO on the daily chart. NVO is quite on 0, very extended. I'm just going to move it to the secondary list indeed, NVO. Big tech groups, tech stocks. As I mentioned you, I'm going to watch Meta, Microsoft, definitely. NVIDIA is climbing, Apple is climbing, but these two I'm going to put on the watch list. Apellis Pharma, it's up a lot, traders, APLS, but it is a buyout. I'm not expecting it to climb more. APLS, usually when you have a buyout on a stock, this is a done deal already. You can watch it. I'm not going to watch it because it's actually, I don't remember I've ever seen a stock like that to climb more after a buyout. But apparently it is because Biogen announced it will acquire a company for $5.6 billion in cash. Biogen said the deal will enhance its portfolio in immunology and rare disease. Okay, next one. Centessa Pharma is here as well. I don't think so I can. Centessa, no, I can't read it. I think it's a small biotech stock. Let's just leave it. Marvel, we were talking about Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and the rest. Amphenol is here as well. APH 1.5% higher. And the reason for that, this is a maker of system sensors and antennas. Never know it. It just got an upgrade, but I'm not very happy about this daily chart. However, not that bad. Hmm. Okay, let's just call it to the long side. I don't know though this stock. I don't know the character of the stock. I think I've never traded this stock, so that's why I'm going to be careful with this stock. Amphenol, which is A, P, and H. It is the symbol. I'm just going to put it on the long list. If you still have anything, guys, please just let me know. Oh yes, Zuki, ARTL. I'm not sure. I can't trade it. I can't trade it. I'm just going to send to the risk management group, see whether they can open it. Okay, just a second. Okay, I asked, let's see whether it's going to be a successful mission. And you called Marvel. Yes, we were watching this. Diego is here as well. DEO, it's up after an upgrade to buy from hold at Deutsche Bank. This is a quite of a strong upgrade indeed. Which is that DEO? Yes, DEO. I think we can trade it definitely. It's a higher or a bigger stock. Oh my goodness, it's very extended to the downside. Oh, but the volume is just 51K. Never mind, guys. I'm going to give the chance for this DEO on the long side, to the long side, especially if you check the daily chart here. Look at that, how extended it is. When was the last time it was so much to the downside? Oh my goodness, I cannot even go back enough. Look at this. Look at this. I'm telling you, traders, last time when this stock was down to $73 level, it was in 2011. Can you believe it? That's actually crazy. It's more than extended to the downside. Now let's see the reason why Deutsche Bank just moved this stock or gave an upgrade. The bank said structural and cyclical headwinds such as weakness in alcohol sales are already priced into the stock. So they've told actually that this is the bottom. That's it. No, I don't know, Sharko. I was completely astonished why MU is going down so much. Definitely I missed the news. I missed something here. I don't think so. Such a big profit taking is happening on the MU, but it's extremely weak, especially compared to the situation that it's always strong. Now it's not at all. I don't know what's happening actually with that one. Okay, guys, so DEO, big tech stocks we were talking about, Novo Nordisk, Marvel, not much more on the new stocks at least. So let's just check the watch list. I mentioned you Meta already. UPST is quite strong as well, and this is extended on to the downside on the daily too. But I don't know, somehow I just do not trust this. UPST, I'm just going to put it to the secondary list actually, UPST. Let's just check one more here. Yes, MU is still, but look at that. MU it's trying to find some bottom on the 320, but it's still very weird that it's much weaker than the market, right? Because the SPY triple Q now is up 1.10, even strengthening, and the MU is down minus 0.56. Not only MU is in red among the big names, but CRM is down 0.29 again. However, on the daily, CRM looks like as a very nice possible reversal formation indeed. XOM, of course, because the oil is pulling back a little bit. Wow, I like XOM daily. Look at that beautiful, perfect shooting star, guys. Beautiful, perfect shooting star on the XOM. I'm going to watch it maybe to the short side, and I'm just getting something here, gainers and losers list. What else is weak on the list? Indeed. Okay, UVXY VIX, of course, CEG, which is down. Mm, yeah, CEG looks good. I'm going to put CEG and CEG, MKC as well, but rather CEG. Hi, Jeremy, nice to see you. Small Cap Kids has nice volume. Meta pull, but yeah, Meta, I'm definitely watching. CEG just on my watch list. Thank you very much. And PHR, if I can trade it. No, I can't trade it. And this Kids. Neither, too small, unfortunately. But yeah, I just found CEG. BIIB is down as well, but the volume is pathetically low. Unfortunately, Snowflake, guys, 4% lower. What's happening with Snowflake? It's just falling like a rock. Okay, let's just check it on the short side. SNOW, Snowflake is down more than 4%. DOX is down as well. DACS, 4% to the downside. That looks still very weak, but the volume, I don't know. Not really. Okay, VG is down like 3%. Look at that. Maybe some profit taking. VIPS 2.60% lower. Okay, CF, Unilever, CF is down too. CF looks like as a nice profit taking as well. So CEG, Snow, CF on my short list. I'm just checking a little bit more here. We still have time. WS, not really. Bill.com up or down 1.64%, but very low volume. BRSK, AON is down too. Oil stocks, of course, USO itself, which I'm going to watch, possible to the short side. But again, traders, I have just a big fear that this is going to happen like yesterday, because day's news are still not a done deal. So we don't know whether it's really going to be a close of this war finally, or the end of this war, or this is just a wishful thinking again from Trump indeed. Hi Luis, hola, ¿qué tal? With CG down on oil up. Yeah, you know what? I'm just checking on the Finviz. Maybe we find some reason why CEG, Constellation Energy Corporation, which is an independent power producer, by the way, in the US, is down so much. Constellation stock has been forgotten. That cloud changed Tuesday. How to play defense in this market. Oil excess, see higher prices ahead and boost of renewables. I don't know. Interesting buybacks. Okay. I don't know the real reason. Constellation Energy forecast 2026. I see. I see. Okay, I found the reason. I found the reason, Louis. They just posted a energy forecast. Constellation Energy just the forecast for 2026 profit forecast. It is below estimates. So this is the reason why it's just going down indeed. But let's just be careful, okay? Let's just be careful. It had a conference call, and actually this was like a looks like not the favorite of the stockholders so far, because CG, as you can see, is just going down. Hi, which stock is CEG? CEG, but I'm just going to get my list here. Okay, traders, so long list. I'm just going to start with the long. I could put more on this, but let's just focus on the best ones. Short, not too many, because the market is starting with a gap up indeed. However, I'm going to focus on shorts as well, especially if the market is going to fade the momentum again after the market opens. And here is the secondary list, which is a possible great movers, but I'm not sure, okay? So we have long, short, and secondary. And traders, as you know, it's Easter week. Today is Tuesday. We have 4 full trading days in this week. Friday is off. Like no room, no stock exchange is going to be closed. And after that, next week it's full day as well. So even Easter Monday, the market is going to be open, just for your information. And one more important thing here, the TEFS is having a huge Easter sale. So please, if you want or think to get a great one-step challenge or even a funded account with instant funding immediately, plus VIP lessons with me and the completely new education course, then please just visit TEFS.com and you will see the fantastic Easter sale here of the TEFS. Use it, grab it, because it's going to be up only until 5th of April. Okay, guys, so here we are. Let's just get our best candidates for today. So CEG, definitely I'm going to watch it to the short side. It's not a question at all, but I'm going to be careful with this because, again, it had like a conference call and profit, it's lower for 2026, which is not the best. All right, what's next? SNOW, I'm going to watch it to the short side. It looks like quite weak indeed as well. And the third short candidate, it is CF, which is not bad either. I just don't know how to put it. Maybe here CF, because Meta, I have it there. Okay, Meta, Microsoft, that's a must to watch today, traders. Coin, I'm going to watch. Maybe not coin today. We have better ones. CRWE, I really like Zuki's call on the CRWE. I'm going to watch. Marvel, that's for sure. Marvel to the long side. Meta, Microsoft, APH, and DEO. APH, let's just put it here, and DEO. Maybe instead of Netflix. NVIDIA, AMD definitely on the list. Maybe I'm going to watch SNDK as well. MU looking interesting too. So we have so many great candidates to start the day with, actually. Marvel, Meta, Microsoft, APH, DEO. Maybe Amazon would not be a bad decision either. It's quite strong in the pre-market as well. Traders, we still have 2 minutes to go. I must tell you, everything depends again on the fact whether the market can keep up this this bullish sentiment, or just like yesterday, it just made a full reversal, and not even a reversal, it just went for a gap fill completely and even more. So let's just be careful on that. NBIS, oh yeah, that's a big mover, Zuki. I have not seen that. Oh, I love it to the long side. Also, it's definitely an inside day, very extended to the downside with more red days in a row, but looks very interesting to the long side. I agree with you. Let's just watch it here. NBIS, NBIS. Okay, good, good. Jeremy, you like it as well? Yeah, I agree. Thank you very much, Zuki. Very, very useful. You see, guys, that's why I'm telling you that this is the best trading community. Such a great traders here, and we are just helping to each other all the time. That's actually fantastic. So good luck, everyone. Let's just make another green day. Yesterday we nailed it. Let's see today. Hopefully it's going to be easier to nail it, because actually yesterday I was just suffering a lot to get to the green side. Okay, guys, so good luck, everyone. Thank you, Tara. Hi, Buzak, nice to see you. Good evening to you. Just on time, just on time. And let's see, as at this time, we can just manage to do this push higher, or we are just going to fade again. Soundhound is quite strong as well, guys. Soundhound very extended to the downside. I'm still not starting the swing. I'm still not starting the swing. I will let you know, of course. AFRM up, Meta. Snowflake really weak. CG interesting. Tesla. Amazon. NVIDIA very strong. CF weak. Okay, I want to see gap and goes actually. This is the first what I want to see here. Meta looks very tempting over this 550 actually. 640 again on the SPY and 565 on the triple Q so far. And MU is back to the green side, guys. MU is back to the green side, by the way. So maybe that was it only. Okay, Amazon, no. Meta, so-so. How about coin? Coin is starting to be stronger here too, but Bitcoin was not that strong. Checking NBIS as well. NBIS maybe can be good for a gap and go. Just checking it there. But nothing yet, which I would say maybe AMD 200, guys. Look at AMD. AMD Microsoft, I like it too. AMD Microsoft. Maybe rather Microsoft than AMD. A little bit too early trade, but guys, I like Microsoft for a continuation over 366 and 70. Small share size, okay? Just a small share size on the Microsoft. I really like the daily on the Microsoft. Really, really like the daily on the Microsoft. Stop loss should be under 365. So, yeah. Let's see. Now I need the mouse trading here. Half share size only. 75 is going to be my entry here. Okay, CEG looks like as a beautiful gap and go, but to the downside actually. Not bad. A little bit spready, here. AMD still looks tempting, but I do prefer Microsoft over AMD now. CRW, oh my goodness, that's a crazy one. Look at this. Okay, so I'm still watching CEG here. Tesla breaking out. Overall market is still just consolidating. NBIS coming higher too. NBIS. Checking NVIDIA soon. I wish it would not be such a ugly inside day. Marvel it is as well. Yeah, I like Marvel, Jeremy. I like Marvel. 90, for me it's 96 actually. And SLV just checking, maybe instead of CF. Yeah, SLV looks good as well. 66, maybe just for a scalp, but looks quite good. So I still like Microsoft. Oh, NVIDIA is just going without me. And I like this Marvel over 96. I'm just going to enter too. $2 stop loss there though. $2 stop loss, 96 and over 96 looks like as a great reversal. Indeed. So Microsoft, Marvel, Amazon making a reversal there. Snowflake CEG still look good for the long. Microsoft is in traders. Stop loss, it's under the lows like 360, 460 indeed. And I want to see at least $1, but rather more. Marvel is here as well. And to the short side, I'm going to watch here Snowflake. Maybe under 104. Oh my goodness, that's so extended to the downside though. Oh, I'm just checking it, but 146 looks like a good one. The Yo coming back, Amazon on the highs, Meta broke out already. Come on, Microsoft. Go, go, go. Please. NVIDIA was a nice breakout, AMD a false breakout. Rather on AMD, I'm watching the $200 level. NBIS looking interesting here. Roblox is very strong as well, traders here, Roblox. Roblox looks interesting. MBLY, LRCX, Meta, very strong on the Meta. I was thinking on this 5-5. Oh, Microsoft, don't do it with me. Yesterday, you remember, guys, how much we should have waited, how much time we had to wait until it started again and move. Hopefully, it's going to be the same, just less waiting time. Netflix, Tara, you are watching Oh, Netflix was a breakout. I missed it. Here is Nike. After market close, Nike is going to be on the list of earnings. Amazon ready to break, as I see. Marvel has not entered yet. Phew, AMD, what an ugly breakdown. CG 273. Yeah, guys, I'm going to call this CG. You were with Tesla. Well done for the breakout, right? CG, I'm going to call it under 270, 290 with a stop loss. Okay, not yet. It's just going up. APH looks quite good as well for a breakout. Let me just check it. Market is still hesitating. And 10 o'clock we will get some news. 10 o'clock we will get the JOLTS job openings, consumer confidence, so lots of news. APH just broke. NBIS, CRWV, yes, all of them looking like, both of them looking like as a breakout, Zuki. So I'm still only with Microsoft. I want to see at least $368 for the partial. Amazon broke. Meta very strong. I really hope Microsoft is going to be the same here. And checking Roblox too in this $54 level for a possible breakout is just unbelievable. It still looks so weak. What else in here? MU back to red. I don't know what's happening with MU, guys, but look at that. It's just giving up. Maybe MU is going to be good for a short, actually. USO checking, Jeremy. Market struggling big time again. Big time again. Oh yeah, it does. Especially under this 128.79. Like under this lows, not bad. Oh my goodness, MU. It's crazy. CG going higher. Let's just leave it. DO back. I'm going to watch here Google instead. Okay. Not too much more. To tell the truth, not too much more. Waiting a little bit, waiting. USO. SNDK, Buzak, it's not on my list today. Maybe I'm going to put it instead of APH, SNDK. Come on, Microsoft, don't do this with me again. Have to wait for you for a half day. SNDK, you want to short it, Buzak? It's on the 50 EMA on the daily. You want to take it 586? Yes, yeah, I see this CRW with Jeremy was so crazy today. I don't know. As the MU is going down, just because of that, maybe I would take it under 384. 384. But not before on the SNDK for me, actually. Come on, Microsoft. So only Microsoft is the only trade for me at the moment. SNDK, oh, I missed. Maybe I'm taking just a small little share size here, just for fun. Zuki, here comes NBIS if you took it for a long. So just for fun. But it's just going to be my dinner money there. Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's actually a good thinking. Because MU is just dropping. So I just get in 582 for the SNDK just for fun. Tesla wants to break out. Nice call on Tesla, Tara. Looking really good. Meta wants to break out. Microsoft, your turn. NVIDIA going to the high. CRWV now looks a bit better. Jeremy Zuki, you're still watching this stock. And I'm telling you because it's just got the rejection 2 times. Maybe over 74.60. Not bad. CRWV. Market though is still no decision. 945 Chicago PMI. 945 Chicago PMI coming. AMD higher, Google on the highs as well. Look at Google. 279. Google looks the same as Microsoft. Look at the daily, guys. Google and Microsoft. Microsoft, it's much more extended, in my opinion. All right, so SNDK is still in, Microsoft is still in, Marvel still can be interesting, maybe over 95 now. Yes, Zuki, exactly, you are a mind reader. Okay, guys. Market, no decision, unfortunately. Come on, Microsoft. CRWV breaking. I think I'm going to get with you on CRWV, but just for a quick scalp, but under or over 74.60, like here. Only 74.60. Stop loss on the CRWV is 72.60, I think. Uh-oh, SNDK. I'm not going to having dinner today again. AMD. Yeah, AMD looks very good. I like it. AMD looks really, really good. So I have Microsoft and CRWV, and I really like Jeremy's call on the AMD. Question. Oh, yeah. Whether the market is going to go or not. Google is going down. That's not good. Market doesn't look that good. Oh, come on, Microsoft again. And MU is going up, guys. Look at that. Still cannot hold the gains. That's weird. That's actually really, really weird. Now let's see the SPY. 945. Chicago PMI, guys. 945, but 10 o'clock news are going to be much more important. Yeah, triple Q, as you can see, the triple Q is still hesitating here, going sideways, so nothing sure. Sorry, guys, I'm here for you. Okay, so triple Q SPY still not decided. Here comes the Chicago PMI, but again, 10 o'clock news are going to be more interesting. And I'm going to risk one more long on this call from Jeremy on the AMD, 199 and 05. I'm going to enter this stock. 199 and 05. Let's see whether it's going to move nicely. PRTR, it's not on my list. Market looks like it's breaking out, so it's not the yesterday energy on the market because at this time already, as you know, it was going lower. It was going lower. So I have CRWV, AMD, and Microsoft long, and SNDK short, but SNDK is just a fun share size, like 5 shares. It's just funny. And PRT are looking great as well. Very good, Jeremy. But I don't know whether I want one more long here, to tell the truth. Too many longs. Come on, Microsoft, breakout. Come on, CRWV. But look at the daily on the PRTR, so nice. So if the market supports, this can be a good one. Okay, SPY triple Q small breakout, but it's still nothing. And I think we are really, really waiting for these job openings and consumer confidence news. At least I hope it's going to have an impact and a trigger for the market to see whether it can continue or not. Let's just check a little bit closer on that because I just cannot open more trades. It doesn't work actually. But if we are checking the triple Q, I think it can go back to 570 without any big pressure indeed. I really like this Microsoft that still cannot break out. SNDK, I think I'm just going to close it soon. MU, it's interesting. It's making a VWAP reversal to the downside. Look at that. It's making a VWAP reversal. Okay, Microsoft, this is what I'm talking about. AMD is going to. Very nice. AMD stop loss is under 198. So let's go for 200 for a partial. On the Microsoft 368, as I've told you, here comes CRWV to the green as well. On the CRWV, I want to see like a $1.5, $2. And SNDK, I think I'm just going to close it in a small, very small red. Okay. No dinner for tonight. It's okay. No problem. I'm out. Buzak, it did not work. AMD, it's nice. CRW is so-so. Come on, nice breakout on the market, but still not strong enough. And here comes MU. MU broke the VWAP though. MU broke the VWAP. I still keep an eye on Marvel as well. Marvel too. No problem. It's, you know what? You just made me a favor because at least I can keep my diet. Water is perfect for me. Good frozen pizzas in Denmark. Thank you. Okay. Oh, come on, market, do it. No, it looked quite good, this SNDK. I really liked it. And I thought as well that it's going to have, I mean, MU is going to have an impact. Guys, Google looks like an interesting breakout too, but I have too many big tech stocks now in my portfolio. So let's just wait for the move. We still have 9 minutes till the news. W or a CRWV, which I don't like too much. Actually, it's too hesitant here. Overall market as well, indeed. 641, 567. Google breakout. Come on, CRWV. Here is the VWAP for you. This is where you should stop and make a reversal. CG, maybe top reversal I'm watching. Zuki, you mentioned Marvel over 95, and I still like it, especially because it's an intraday breakout. I still like Marvel over 95 traders. I'm just going to call it. Hi, Nitsa. Nice to see you. Hope you are in safe. Market started in a gap up again, but really slow, and we are waiting for JOLTS job openings and consumer confidence in like 6 minutes. Ah, Jeremy, yeah, actually I just did not watch it. You are right. 128.80 we called, and yeah, it's my fault as well. I took it off the radar. Shoop. Now let's see this Marvel in the meantime. Okay, here comes again Microsoft. Traders, Microsoft is getting close finally to the partialing point. That's just good timing before the market news, actually. I'm ready to take 70% off only on Microsoft. Reason for that, you know, it's I still see potential in the Microsoft and in the market, but the fact that news are coming in 5 minutes, it's not making it easy. So I'm just taking 70% off here on the Microsoft and 70% off as well on the AMD, and let's see whether we can make a little bit more there. Nice partial. Okay, stop loss just under the entry, but this CRWV, it's making a little hard time here. Let's just leave a little bit more here. Okay, so two nice trades. Marvel is coming over 94.05. Tesla breaking out, Meta breaking out, Google, everything, and Marvel is in. Marvel, oh, not in yet. I mean, my entry was a little bit too soon, but I like Marvel, a $1 stop loss. SPY triple Q nicely continues, but again, the big question is going to be whether we can have some good news to push the stocks higher. SNDK, wow, back to 600. I want to take a Marvel partial around 95.80. On Microsoft next partial just before 370, guys. If we go, it's really going to go, actually. Really like it. Thinking on MU as well, but it started the pre-market and the day quite weak. So I'm not sure in the MU here on this intraday break. Oh, come on, Marvel. Don't do this. Okay. But MU is going. Oh, Marvel, why? I don't get this stock. And you see, my entry was not precise. Yes, it was okay. It was there. Marvel is going to be out under 93. No good. And MU is going. That's funny. Why Marvel is not going? That's a little bit weird for me. Oh, guys, CRWV and Marvel is not doing the job, which is not good. Phew, MU. No, and I did not want it to take on 320. I hope someone took it. I just don't get this Marvel here, guys. Really do not. In love with Mara? Konstantinos, I know you are in love with Mara all the time, every day. Now let's see. Very good. Yes, guys, if you like a stock and you know the character of the stock, it can help a lot, actually. Okay, traders, I'm still keeping Marvel and CRWV, two winners on Microsoft and not Marvel, AMD. On Microsoft, it was close to the stop loss. Let's see. My stop loss is going to be under 366.70 now. Come on, Marvel, come back. Syndicate's moving. Market is waiting for the news, and in 1 minute we will get the news. And I'm just checking the other stocks here. Netflix, checking. NFLX. Yeah, looks interesting. 80 are a bit done for me, but you know what? If the market is going to move, this can be a quite of a nice move. Wow, AMD traders, NVDA, they are just moving like crazy now. Watch out. CRWB back over the VWAP. That's good. On AMD, I'm still waiting with the second partial, but very nice move actually. Unity is moving like crazy too. Unity, too late for me. Snacks, Roblox. Where is Roblox? 54. It made the breakout. Oh, Roblox, what a nice VWAP reversal. SNDK is crazy together with the MU. Hopefully AMD is going to 201. This is going to be the second partial. Come on, Marvel. Come on, CRWV. I need you. And Microsoft is going to be out under 366.70. Okay, 366.70. Market still building a bull flag. 570 on the triple Q. I think it's a quite of a stronger resistance, so I'm going to watch it. Marvel, it's pathetic. I just don't understand why it's not going. Microsoft, AMD is still looking great. Google, Meta, Amazon, everything is going higher. But I'm very disappointed on Marvel. Like really good news, and look at that stock. Amazing. Phew, NVDA, nice 170 is coming on NVDA. Okay, traders, AMD 201, and we haven't got the news. I'm just checking the news. So far, I cannot see that it's a bad news. But let's see. CB consumer confidence much better than expected, and the Georgia job openings unfortunately lower than expected, but almost on the estimates. So not that bad news. Not that bad news actually. Okay, maybe I'm just taking a little bit more off on this AMD. This 201 Marvel still doesn't look good, but at least CRWV is back. NVIDIA is very strong, and MU is making a bull flag, by the way. Oh, CRWV, nice. Nice, nice. Microsoft is out, traders, and CRWV back to the green. That's good, but CRW or the Marvel, it's still a little bit concerning me on that one. Okay. Can't believe SNDK, how strong it is. Can't believe it. Guys, if you have any great candidates, please just let me know. AMD, it came back. I did not take the partial yet. You know what I'm going to do with AMD? I'm just going to move my stop loss under 200. Just looking some profit here. MU looks like it's a fantastic bull flag. I can't believe this stock. S&D came pushing higher too. Overall market though, it's maybe topping a little bit, which is not good for all longs, especially for this Marvel. Sure. Traders, CRWV, I do not want to see it back under 74.50. But on the other hand, it's such a volatile stock. I don't know. Okay. SNDK, MU, amazing. Come on, Marvel, do your job. Okay, come on, CRWV. MU is still breaking higher. Market is struggling a little bit. CG, yes. Actually, Luis, I was just thinking on this when I was telling you around this 280, 250 that it's stopping, but then I was not focusing on it, and that was a big miss. It looked like as a top reversal there on this when it just reached this 285, made the doji and made this reversal pattern. That was a very nice short candidate or a short setup there. But now I'm just going to wait for an intraday breakdown. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet though. This is my problem. So traders, AMD stop loss 199.70, CRWV, I do not want to see it back under 75, but unfortunately the market seems like it's just a little bit weaker. And AMD I was talking about, and Marvel still doesn't look good, but I really hope it's going to get back to the green side soon. Coca-Cola, Shark, I have not traded this stock for a while. Oh, yes, that's weak. today. I'm out of AMD traders. AMD is out. Looks like it's a short candidate, by the way. Nissan still cannot trade UGRO, unfortunately. So traders, I'm still only holding CRWV and Marvel. Fail. Yeah, that's why I've told you that Netflix looks like ATR. It's a little bit done for me. That's why I did not take it actually. These breakouts, sometimes you can take it for a quick scalp. Like you see, it went like not too much, 20 cents. Oh my God, this is not even good for a scalp. Because ADR was a little bit done. Like if you check the daily chart, the maximum days in this consolidation, it was close when you just called it. And that's why I was a bit suspicious with this one, indeed. And now the market is just coming back to the VWAP, and this is not good for my CRWV. Marvel still fighting. I'm just thinking actually, sorry guys, this CRWV, I think I'm just going to leave it alone. CRWV is just not strong enough, as you can see. It's just not strong enough, and it's not good. You're welcome. SPY triple Q slowly pushing back to the VWAP. VWAP is going to be a big test for the market, whether it's going to hold the market or again we just fall over and losing this team. But now look at Tesla back to the lows, Meta going back, Amazon under the VWAP. And traders, I think I'm just going to close this CRWV in a very small loss here. I just do not trust this anymore. It just failed again. I don't know, not looking good. 44, like a 30-cent stop loss. It's quite of nothing. Now it's even better. I just don't like how it is moving. You see it started to break out. 1, 2, third time, got rejection. Unity, yeah, Nitsan, I was watching Unity for a swing long for a while. I'm still not calling. I want to see this progress in this Iranian situation first, and then to look for longs here, but not bad. Not bad, the Unity. I'm watching again SoundHound BBAI for the long side. Traders, I'm just calling the CRWV here. I'm not going to hold it, I think. You see, it's just back again. Market is pulling back to the VWAP. I do not really trust this stock anymore. Last chance here to push a bit more. Yes, Luis. Let's watch this 150 on the snowflake. Okay. I'm just trying to close the CRWV on the best possible level there at the moment. Marvel is still fighting there. No, CRWV. You need to break 175. If you can't, I'm just out. So far, it's still very slow, unfortunately. Microsoft back to the VWAP, by the way. Microsoft is back to the VWAP now. Google, how strong it is today. No, CRW, we just cannot do it, unfortunately. Small loss on CRW, I'm not going to hold it anymore, so only Marvel. Green Day, not too much, $320 higher at the moment, as you can see. Small loss on the CRWV. So Marvel really needs to work out here. But I was going with lower share sizes today. Okay, no market, higher or lower? This is the big question there. Now let's see this Unity in the meantime. It's on. Yeah, you are right. It looks very promising for a swing. Looks very, very promising for a swing. Maybe a half share size I'm going to join with you if you are going to get in. It looks quite good indeed. Okay, guys, in the meantime, I'm just checking the other stocks here. Roblox is quite strong as well. Roblox doesn't look bad either for a swing, but I'm not sure if it's not going to go back first to this $50 level still. Coin strong today. No entry. UPST, which is not bad either. Yeah, for M. On the Unity, now let's see. I think it's easily can go first to the gap fill, like this 27-ish would be my first target for the gap fill. And after that, the 200 EMA, definitely like 30, 31. That would be nice. Oh, Marvel, don't do this, please. Marvel is going to be out under 93. SPY triple Q, slow pull, slow reversal and moving back towards to the VWAP at the moment. Okay, market. Marvel doesn't look good. I just don't get this whole market or a whole stock here. I'm still watching this Microsoft. If we make a reversal there, I'm might going to watch this 368 level. At the moment, I cannot see any more nice entries. I'm just checking the gainers and losers list. Ooh, this APLS, that was the buyout, of course. AHR up. Senix was the new stock yesterday. Guys, I forgot Senix. Oh, that was nice. Shoop, HSI. Okay. VKTX is very strong. No, CRWE, of course, is going if you are still holding it. Unity, nice. Ooh, Unity, wow. ASTS, Omer. Ah, CRWE. I knew he's going to do it. Come on, Marvel. It's your turn now. Yeah, CG doesn't look bad. Nissan. Under, wait, 274.50, right? Yes. Not bad. Just checking the strong stocks in the moment from the gainers and losers list. RKLB, nothing. Galaxy is up 6% as well. MBIS is here. MBIS was not really moving today. APLD. Ooh, APLD was nice. CLDX, nothing. NVIDIA is going to the highs. Now let me just check this Microsoft. Google holdings over this, yes, it is, but 280, I think it's a little bit too strong resistance for me, Luis. Amazon is making a VWAP reversal. Meta is making a VWAP reversal. Microsoft. I just do not really trust this market, unfortunately. Ooh, look at that, and big red candle on Microsoft again. Marvel, come on. Buzak, no, I'm not adding. I'm going to be happy if it goes back to green, to tell the truth. Luis, I'm still keeping an eye on the snow as well. So possible VWAP reversals, Meta, Amazon, maybe still Microsoft here. NVIDIA is very strong. I did not watch AMD. Unfortunately, it had a nice reversal over 200 as well. I missed it. So days I'm watching for intraday or VWAP reversals. Tesla maybe can be an intraday breakout, but for that we need to see whether the market can do the reversal on that VWAP. XOM long, Jeremy, really? The oil is coming back? That's not a good news for the market. Yeah, you are right. It looks like. Let's watch it. MU is starting to be stronger again. Look at MU, guys. MU is completely crazy today. Finally, Marvel, go, go, go. AMD breaking out. Market itself, Spice trying to make this reversal. I have only Marvel at the moment. Nice, you were right on the Google. AVGO as well. Yeah, I think all of these very extended stocks. I don't know how about Oracle. Yeah, this looks nice as well. How about Oracle? Oracle looks very good as well, guys. Oh my goodness. That looks nice. AMD over the highs, Google over the highs, missed Meta. Microsoft, though, it's not that good. Nice, Luis. Well done. Yeah, for a scalp, you can always try this daily high breakouts as well. No question, but I would say only for a scalp. Tesla is doing the move as well. And here we go back, Marvel, almost back to the entry. Come on, Marvel, do your job. Buzak, did you add over 94? Nice. Nice call. This Oracle looks very tempting over 143 as well. Okay, good luck. We just need to break 95 now. Market so far not that bad. Making green candles, but this is still not enough. This is still not enough. Yeah, I agree. I agree. And actually, some nice volume came with these green candles, which is not bad. But so far, the overall picture on this price action for today on the Marvel is not very convincing. But like this is my problem there. But let's see. Amazon still looks good. Microsoft, I'm watching. First of all, Buzak, I'm going to be happy if it's going to held by the VWAP. Because now market doesn't look that good anymore. And even Microsoft breaking the VWAP, Meta coming back. Ouch, ouch. Maybe the bulls are getting a bit weaker again. However, you know what? Marvel did not care about the market today. If it would have cared, then it should go up, should have gone up, but it did not. SNDK on the highs, MU on the highs. They are so strong, but Microsoft broke the lows. I mean, not the lows, but the VWAP so far. Marvel still looks quite good. Low volume, but the EO, yeah, it was on my list. Jeremy, I took it off. No. Let's see, how does it look like now? Yeah, low volume, but yeah, not bad. Not bad. This is a typical stock, you know, which can just jump like out of the blue, because especially because of the volume. Yeah, the 7420, right? I don't think so. I'm going to try it now. I think I'm just going to be okay with this Marvel. Tesla on the highs. Amazon still looks good. I'm still watching Microsoft here. If the whole market can just make this reversal there. Meta is very strong. Yes, I agree. Just, you know, as the market, it's a little bit too much to the upside already. Like, look at the triple Q is up 1.83%, SPY even 1.60%. On the daily, it still could go, actually. I can imagine a 570, but the volume is decreasing. You see, it's quite decreasing now, and it concerns me to take any other longs at the moment. Still looks okay, though. Still looks okay. Amazon is not bad, by the way, as well, Sharko, if you're just watching it around this 20660 on the Amazon. Just checking it here. Yeah, 20660 for an intraday breakout, wave up reversal. You can call it whatever. Marvel again stuck, but at least it's still over the VWAP. SPY triple Q trying to break out again, which is quite good. Okay. In the meantime, I just would like to ask you, how is your day going? I'm just going to get this poll, guys, here. This is an anonymous one, so you can just, how is your... So there will be a green, a red, a break-even, add option, break-even, and one more, which is like, leave me alone. No, it's like no trade. Okay, guys, here we are. So it's an anonymous vote. I just would like to see feedback how you are doing for today. Not an easy day again, I would say. Better, a little bit better than yesterday, in my opinion. So green, red, break even, or no trade. Ooh, 70% in green. You're good, guys. Come on, Marvel. Give some more to the greens. Come on. Okay. 15% no trade yet. No problem, guys. Break even 14%, red 14%, and 57% in green. That's quite good. Sorry for the red, guys. It's just, Always what I'm telling you, it should be a manageable red, no more than 3% of your equity. This is extremely important in trading, and hopefully it's even less. In the meantime, Marvel is really, really trying. I love this formation over the VWAP. Like the VWAP is behaving like a support for this small consolidation, but this is still not enough. Like looking good, but still can fail. As the market itself is not the best either. Like it's just stuck again and going for the sideways moves, which is not always the best. Okay, 50% in green, 19 in red, 19 break even and no trade. Come on, Marvel, help us. Okay, CRW is still trying. Okay, traders, so green 53%, red 18, break even 18, and no trade 12%. In the meantime, our Marvel is getting back to the entry point. NVDA unstoppable. If you are still in CRWV, it's still looking good, but I just could not cope with that anymore, based on my rules at least. So I'm just ending the poll. Thank you very much for the participation here. Luis, which one you're watching? Sorry, I just missed days. JP Morgan, very clean today. Snow setting up. Now let's see Snow first. Snow only under 150 for me, I think. So Marvel, it looks so bad a few minutes ago. I know, but Marvel is getting better now. Busak, you're still getting it. Oh my goodness, no, I'm not going to. So back to Snow. Let's just check the Snow first. 149.80, 149.80. But I must tell you, Luis, that on the daily, that looks quite strong. I think it would go down only if the market would have a big reversal. 95.25. All right, Buza, good luck for that. I'm not going to add. I'm just going to make my partial here and grab my money and run. Tesla is breaking out. JP Morgan, you mentioned as well. Let me just check JP Morgan here. Oh my goodness, that was a clean reversal. You were right. We just missed. We cannot win them all. Okay, guys, Marvel, good news. It's back to the green side, but still it's not enough. 96, just before 96. MU, bit in a channel now, Buzak for me, but looks like an interesting one, maybe. SNDK before breakout as well, but the overall market just slowed down a lot, fortunately. Oh, come on now, Marvel. We're waiting for you for an hour now. Okay. Nice. Go, go, go. You're right, Buzak. By the way, I think if it's breaking this 95.25, it did. Okay, 50 more cents to take this partial. Finally, on this Marvel. However, I have to tell you, I really do not want to see Marvel back under 95 from this level. I really do not. It's such a clear, beautiful consolidation here. Nice call on the MU. It's working so far, but this Marvel is really annoying me. Hood, Nitsan, Hood is not on my list today. I don't know why. I don't know. Oof, 67. You're right, but we need more sentiment, more bullish sentiment from the market. I feel like the market is starting to get tired a little bit. Like you see, it's still doing this consolidation, nothing else. Not the best. Not the best. Not the best. Come on, Marvel. I can't believe this stock really. Mhm. Microsoft 365, low of the day, and watching for a reversal as well here. Unilever, so health checking. Of course, it got some news, lots of news today, by the way. Oh my God, too late. That was perfect under 57.49. Shoop. Now it's too late for me. Guys, I really don't know what to do with this Marvel. I just don't like this whole market now. Look at that. It's just stuck completely on the highs. Cannot make the breakout. Marvel is the same. Not on the highs, but with this $95 level. Oh, I don't want to add. So maybe I'm just going to make the move not to have this big loser here. 90, 94.50. I don't know. I'm afraid market is just going to drop soon. Oh no. Let's see. Unilever was nice, but too late, fortunately. By the way, PepsiCo is the only red stock on my list. Disney is going down too. I think I'm going to do the following with the Marvel. I'm going to put my stop loss under the VWAP. So if it goes under the VWAP, I'm going to be out. Okay, traders, I'm not going to babysit this trade anymore, but I still give the chance. However, the market, I must tell you, doesn't look good for the longs. Does not look that good for the longs indeed. This is my problem here. Okay. Snow, yes. Snow, as we were talking about the snow, but just under this. Oh, yeah, I missed it. I've called it, but I missed it. No, I was not sure that I will be here, Luis. But that's why I did not call it. But very nice call. I hope you are in. And Nissan CG is coming back if you are still interested. Traders, unfortunately, I have to run. But with the Marvel, I'm going to do the following. Now it's just made a very nice consolidation. So my stop loss is going to be under 94.70. This is the level which is going to be broken. I don't think so it's going to go higher. And indeed, because of that, I'm going to cut my small loss there and still keep my day in green. So this is what I'm doing when I am in green, and not a huge green, and I still, should preserve the green. It's quite of a nice solution for that, because technically it's right. If it's breaking it, it's over. It's going to go to VWAP and even lower. So under 94 and 70 is going to be my stop loss here. 95.80 Buzak. I think on 95.80 I'm going to take my first partial there. I'm just going to set the levels, and that's it. I really hope it's still going to go. Be careful with this market, because I feel like a little bit overdone, waiting for new updates from the Iran situation, and it can come, as you know, at any time later. FOMC member speakers are coming too, so just watch out on the big moves here. Anyway, I enjoy trading with you as every day. If you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please just drop me an email at agi@tefs.com. I'm more than happy to help you in anything. So guys, have a nice one. And I'm going to see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Have a green one at the end. Stay safe. Bye.